Taking a look at this solar parking lot light. Comes along with all the mounting hardware to take it from the roof or a pole. And on one side, you've got an array of LED lights, and on the other side, an array of solar panels. They work well. It's 300 watts, and it'll record, or it'll charge all day. It's self-contained, so the batteries and everything are in here. Once it understands that it is nighttime, then the lights go on. You have a remote control, so you can go through a couple of different modes, and it's essentially designed to be on low power 30% most of the time, and then when it sees motion, it pops up to full brightness. So it conserves energy while given constant illumination and task lighting when necessary. This is the perfect solution for our yard. Hope this helps give you an idea of what's in the box and how it works.